delicious Nigerian street food, suya. There is something always good about eating suya. It's so yummy, and I'm here to show you my simple suya recipe. Yes, for today's suya recipe, I'm not using open coal for grilling. I'm using my oven grill. I have made suya so many times and discovered that the true authentic suya taste is actually in the pepper mix, although the coal adds to the flavor. I'm at a great advantage here because I actually make spices, barbecue rubs, dry sauces and soups called Fofolicious Your Mix Special. I'm using my own suya spice mix today. Back to today's recipe. My ingredients are thinly sliced beef spread, suya mixed spice, vegetable oil. I also have cabbage, cucumber, tomatoes, onions for garnishing. And for my twist for today, I have flatbread. Make sure your meat is without moisture. Rub in dried pepper mix. Allow a dry marinade for about an hour. Sprinkle some vegetable oil on the beef. Mix it together. And you can put just few in the skewer. Then you put it on the tray, the oven tray, and in goes to the hot oven. Make sure your oven is already hot. Make sure to flip to check that all the beef is grilling. It's sizzling here with so much flavor. Suya is really a master of street food. Do you agree with me? And it's done so hot, grilled to perfection, explosion of flavors, and a very, 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 very soft looking suya. Garnish with cabbage, tomatoes, cucumber, onions, and it's time to add my extra pepper, suya pepper. I made some flatbread earlier and I'm putting some suya on my flatbread with all the garnishing. This is so much deliciousness going on here. I started making flatbread when I was 8 years old. That's a story for another day though. So keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more recipes.